Hello, I am Max and you're watching Cool Stuff in Weird Cars, and in today's video, doing something a little bit different. We are giving my Ram the present of good visibility at night. As you can tell, these headlights are garbage. This one's not as bad. This one is terrible. As you can tell, it's very yellowed over. It's got some water in it. If I shake it here, you can kind of see it down there in the corner. So yeah, I bought a cheap set of some sort of reproduction headlights that are currently in the back seat over there. And basically, what we're going to do is we're going to take out these headlight housings and replace them with new ones, just so I can see at night, hopefully. I really hope I don't have to take off any of this. I think I can snake the headlight out without having to take off the brush guard, because I don't want to take it off. And to take this stuff off, it's actually fairly simple. There's a little bolt right down here, and I believe that there are two. There's one like up here, and then there's one down there that I need to take out as well. And I think the whole assembly should just come right out. As you can tell, this last bolt is a lot easier to get if you're laying on the ground. Getting it from the top is almost impossible. There we go. There we go. Hey, hey! Now, to finagle this thing out of here, we gotta go this way, probably, maybe not. Oh, it is getting stuck on that. Actually, no, it doesn't. Which way do I have to go to get this out? Aha! And there we go. There's one crappy headlight out. Ooh, shiny. Get out of the box. Damn it. Oh, it comes with that not attached. Alright. So the turn signal isn't attached out of the box for whatever reason. I somehow got the right side of lights out from the first try, somehow. Oh, it even comes with a new light bulb. That's fancy. So check this out. There's actually a brand new light bulb. I don't know if you can see it in there. You can probably see it from the back. There's actually a brand new light bulb, so I can have extra headlights. But look how shiny it is. And like I said, the turn signal is not exactly attached right off the bat. What my problem is right now is that I need a screwdriver to take this little screw out here. Good thing to do to brand new lights. I need to take the screw out or loosen it up so I can put that in correctly. Alrighty, so we have the headlight together, as you can tell there. And we get to experience this together. Oh, brand new headlight. Oh yeah, look at that. So, it does have the piece I was hoping it had, which is this. And we will go ahead and put this in the truck. Of course, installation is going to be reverse of removal. I guess I can take this old headlight out of here. I don't really need it anymore. After I find a place to set this headlight that's not on the battery. I don't really need to replace the headlight, but I guess it's better to have one that has maybe more life in it. Oh, this even has the ring. Alright. So now I have to finagle this back in here somehow. Oh, look at that. Like a pro. Didn't even have to try. But now, I actually have to take these caps out. I have a really big screwdriver somewhere. I don't actually know where I left it. It might be in the truck. There we go. It kind of looks funky, but that's probably because the headlight isn't actually secured in yet. We'll give you guys a little bit of a look. So basically what I did is I took these little clips out right here that you see, and actually maybe you don't see, I don't know. There we go. There's 3 of these things, and just take those out. And they're pretty simple. And then you push the headlight back in, maybe, somewhere. I gotta find the right hole area for it. All right, I'm too excited, so I obviously have to test it. Ah, yeah, look at that. That is clear. So, turn this down so you can actually maybe see. So you can see the new light, very, very clear. And the old light, very not clear. Clear, not clear. So, there we go. I'll get this all tightened up, and we'll work on the other side. So the biggest problem I'm probably going to face is that I don't really have anything to perfectly align these. So they're going to be kind of whatever they get set to. Because obviously you're supposed to, like, you know, make your headlights point at a certain angle so they light up the most road or whatever. It's just gonna, I'm gonna kind of wing it until I see. Alrighty, so that headlight is in. Let's have a look at that. Sorry. So nice. I guess. Let's turn the headlights on. God, that's so much nicer than the old headlight. Oh, here. In comparison between the old headlight and the new headlight. As you can see, the new one is so much clearer. Alright, let's do the other side. There we go. So, would you like some headlight fluid? This headlight is terrible. It's like black on the inside. Looks like it might have burnt out at one point real bad. Alright, off to the trash. I gotta get this in first, and then everything else goes in. I can't really push the bumper down at all. Oh, there's a fucking idea for you right there. Aha! I got it. Alright, plug the lights in. Alright, so go ahead. Gonna do two things this time. We're gonna run the headlights as well as the hazards. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, it looks so good. And we'll do another side-by-side comparison. Look at the difference, even though of course those lights are on, but whatever. Man, it looks so good now. I have to get some shots of it when it gets dark out. And of course, the brights, even though it didn't really make much of a difference. I'm gonna turn the fog lights on too. Get everything going. I use my fancy little switch down here. Because of course I can turn my brights on and my fog lights on at the same time. Haha. Looks so much better. And I'm sure my vision is going to be so much better at night. Which luckily, the adjusters are right here, right there. So all I have to do is just kind of screw this in or out, depending on which way I need the headlight to go, and the same thing on the other side. Just if, you know, they're off or whatever. And so thank you all so much for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to leave a like, thumbs up, whatever. And if you want to see me do more DIY stuff to my cars, which this car needs some DIY stuff done to it, be sure to leave in the comment section below, and I'll try and get to it as best as I can. And because I need to start making more videos. That's what I'm thinking. So anyways, thank you all so much for watching, and for now, I'm out of here with my dirty hands. See ya.